Skumba. You all right, my brother?
Bravo, shop kunjani ukuthi mina ngikhumbulile this week angazwa ngikhumbulile nje ngathi sasiplombela nje sizosela inyama singenza into eziningi singadli imali yabantu sibe right.
Yeah.
Uthini Nhleko uthi expeditiously. Oqala abantu abanikazi bale mali abakwazi ukumspell expeditiously. Naye lodle imali akakwazi. Hey, naye imhlolo yethu. Mara konziwani le viki konziwani bro kule country.
Thixo wase George Koch.
Uthi George Koch angitshele. George Koch.
Kimang George Koch.
Ngiyakubona lokho. George Koch yazi utishara wakhe religious uhleli uthi kodwa angitshele. Thixo George Koch. Stadium. Akasathixo wase Jerusalem. George Koch. Stra 3 uyakubonakala abantu abathukala zayavela ke manje.
2015 is the year.
No baba. Broken country. Hey, imali yethu baba. Hala baba semune uneyimanga. How uthi right yena uthi mina bhadala imali. Hang right hey. Une swimming pool akakwazi kuswim. Le swimming pool kahle I danger to impilo yakhe. Asithi makhuma luyadlula ecela ku swimming pool. Chwasha uyokhisha bani? Baba, dance ngani? Leba indlela baba bathi la nje right proper inama CCTV everywhere nacabanga naseyibayeni inkomo sakho inkomo sina privacy lapha inkomo ziba busy ngento zazo bheka zenzani bheka inkomo zenzani bheka inkomo zenzani laba una CCTV everywhere kulendlu liyana abantwana bakhe magezo Domzodwa ngathi Big Brother Domzodwa iVaselina Ngeke uphuza amanzi sikhathi sithi uvakashile uza hey Timundisi hey kanti uyaphalaza na kanti kuyagajwa na Leba yini kinga yakhe.
No, but you can understand that, privacy is guaranteed because Khulubusi has to walk in, the cameras can see around.
Manje bona sakachapele swimming pool Khulubusi aphuma wonke lamanzi. Uzathela. Una jacuzzi baba abayibali yona ke. Wenzani ngalezi zinto zonke? Like yini ayenza uvukisana thina? Ngayaphi namhlanje? Phela kuya ngathi usemall. Wayo check abani namhlanje. Ngithi nyimela ngihlala lezansi ngalo ngumsali WhatsApp uthi okuphi. Singila yo. Bona ntambama. Yo walk the whole day ayengala no. Loba kudlaliwa ngathi proper. Kudlaliwa ngathi proper le country lena ayivala ngihlale ngisho kulo.
Ayivala butwami.
Ayikho into enzoba. Uyahleka. Silahlekile imali uyahleka yena, Broken country. Shima nasidli baba nganika ngento zakho. This is a broken house with a broken wife. Akafuna tell petrol baba imoto na petrol. You see? This is a broken car in a broken garage. Thixo wase George Koch.
Oh lo.
Laba kabani mara abantwana bakhe ngibheka bathi mara lo baba lona. Let's go to sugar liyaphakama. Ubona umlomo kababa. Ubova ngathi nje baleka nepaloni ngathi yeah. Thixo wase George Koch. Ungifanini ngikhohle shem. Ngapha imali zethu ziyalahleka, ngapha yiFIFA, ngapha ubaba, ngapha uthoka sikhwale naye uvele TV athi ama investigation. Uqala wawuthoke baba khuluma naye. Yaza amehlo kaTokyo.
I tell you.
Ngabe ubheka reporter, ngabe ubheka SABC2 doc. Ushaya inhloko ngathi plate elichithekayo ukambona. Umuntu okesikhala inhloko yakhe ngathi plate elichithekayo. Elinye ilihlo libheka ukuthi ya asazi. Ya imali ye. This investigation elinye ilihlo lingale next door. That's why walahlekela umfazi wakho umlungu abeka ngamboni kahle. Activosa kanjani ngikubhekile lobu ungahamba. Ngalibona ilihlo lakakala kaTheko sikhali. Lihola igrand lala lihlo lilodwa. Ya, libheka. Ukalibona khulu. Yeah, hey. Bayimi interview la. Ngapha libheka amabheka ngapha libheka ibank yakhe la. Ah, man. Nasayimela kadazi ngikhathele awungibheke emehlweni kanjani ngikubheka straight ilahleka Tokyo liyahola nalo eParliament elilokukhuluma nalo zayi sicela ukuyankandla nathi iGenius fokol lapha.
The Business Day carries a very well-rounded story on how the money supposedly left our country, the 10 million. Remember, we were trying with Situme in the week to try and decipher how you would put 10 million in a suitcase, and it's impossible. So the Business Day has a very step-by-step way in which it happened. It was through ticket takings, apparently. So it looks very interesting.
And they say there's 2 members on South Africa, like by 2. Abathinteka. Siyabazi sonke ukuthi ithula leji.
Business Day is busy.
Who do you think it is?
Ubani beka phambili wena?
I don't know. Well, now who do you think it is?
Hey, how about Danny fanele bakhuluma?
As I was saying, Business Day is very busy. There's another story about Gwede Mantashe. Apparently, there's a smear campaign against him. Something about claims of sexual harassment.
Harasa yena or in harass umuntu.
Apparently, he harassed someone. But this is all smear campaign. Ahead of
umuntu lesikhathi sokumamela lo bakhuluma. Phela ma harass umuntu awumani umharase nje. Ucela ukhulume naye umshelo. Ivo selo baba udiyazo kana moya. Phela moya makashela. Hey, ntombi njani?
No shame, man. He's a respectable man.
Ubrakwede fana mpishi yake. They are broken. Hey manje ulalaphi? Ngilalaphi yokwenzani wena?
No, it's like that whole
Can you imagine?
sex thing.
Ubrakwede yokulobolela. Siqhela khuluma malini nifuna malini. And the phone World Cup.
Oh no, man. Maybe he's the guy they're sending the delegation to Evan Khoza's home for the president, you know? I'm just saying, just maybe. Just maybe.
Yabona udeda kweli cela ngilobolela lapha ka Khoza ngena sekathi bhakaneya ahlangana amathambo thene bhakaneya nilozela weekend uzokhuluma ngebhola imani sathetha ngebhola kuphi pha ku Pirates izintwana zifile zohola mahala kanqa obusana no but washizithe qathi ndimbona aboma yume kahle mona ntombi mona qala itifa condense ngithele le condense ngithele condense so igoqoza ngakho zawuzenzela mina hey ninjani man put Ivan and there's no Ivan because I couldn't say serious we as the Khozas we are fine. Yeah, Khoza. And ndithunyiwe ngoba ndithunyiwe ko broken a broken country in the broken room. Uba ndize ndisuitcase sonana ipile tiye aliyazi kwangijaha phela mhlale lokushini aliyazi kwangijaha abantwana bangawukho umakhumala kulimaza ndifuna uba wazi uba apho yakhona ke hayi awungo number 1 awungo number 2 ungewu number 3 ungewu number 4 uyicheri wena ndivile uba upreke futhi ke hey anizesabe izinto uvumela umuntu onoshukela akho Sonono ninesibindi uzalobola mara uthethisa umakoti unesibindi Khoza andithethi ngekhandi rapha ndibhizi ndithetha ngento ezisnacks andisalobola zomza zizela apha zithethelele lento iPirates ziphi itikiti zePirates